Shepherd. He's coming to us for a 2-week board and train. Some of the problems that the clients have are mainly just healing with the leash. He likes to pull. He pulls all over the place, and so it's really hard for them. Get over. Come here. It's really hard for them to take him on a walk, especially around dogs and other people. He just gets really distracted, and so it's just more of a nuisance and more of a chore for them to take him out on walks. He also has a high drive for little critters and squirrels and stuff like that, as you probably tell for a German Shepherd. And that's one of the main reasons why the clients brought him to Off Leash K9 is because they had incidents where the client was walking the dog, walking Guinness, and he got away from him. He saw a squirrel and just took off. And so there was nothing that they could do to be able to get him back, to recall him. And so that's why they're here. And that's what we're going to work on. So before I show you the transformation, let's go ahead and see a little bit of what he knows so far. Dennis! Hey! Dennis! Come on! Come on! Good boy! Good boy! Can you sit? Good. Good boy, Dennis. Good boy, buddy. Good boy. So he does know a little bit of basic obedience. Dennis, yep. And he does know down. Perfect. Good boy, man. Good boy, buddy. Good boy. Good boy. Like I said, what's awesome about the e-collar is even off leash, we'll be able to recall him, especially from those little critters and everything like that. So I'm excited to show you his progress in just 2 weeks.